Hey, what's up guys? Carlo here with another copywriting tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to trigger positive emotions in your copy with 3 simple things that you can apply right now today in your copy. The first one are names. When you opt in people into your email list, into your content, you're probably gonna ask them for their first name and their email, right? So a lot of email platforms are gonna let you put their first name. But the trick here, guys, is that don't just do it at the beginning. We see these emails everywhere, like, hey, first name, we are copy bloggers, we are these people from this place. But you need to implement it then, implement it later. How? Maybe you'll tell them like, how are we going to drive traffic to your page? Good question, Sarah, or first name, right? So you put their first name not only at the top but in the body, because this triggers something in your brain that makes you put more attention, that makes you have a positive emotion towards it. It doesn't matter who you are, if you see your name, or even though you know it's generic, that it's an email that they're gonna send to millions of people, you're still gonna get the same trigger. Obviously, don't overdo it, but it works pretty good. So make sure to use people's name, not only at the beginning. The second one is using first person plural pronouns. What is this? It's when we're talking in our copy and we're writing we, our, and us, because we like feeling people, we like feeling like we are part of it, right? Let's say that you're talking about how to stop smoking. It's a topic that people need to feel they're in a community. So when you're writing, if you put we, like, yes, we tend to fall into these habits, you're gonna feel more related, rather than if you write, yeah, smokers tend to do this, right? So you need to write it in a way that it's more personal, that it's more close, using the words we, our, and us. There's a lot of studies that have been made even with really weird words, and they tried some people with those first pronouns, first person plural pronouns, and then other people with non-first person plural nouns. And they realized that when you use we, our, and us, people feel more related and they remember it more, because they feel like you are talking to them and that you are part of it, right? There's no point in putting an extra layer between you and your readers. Make it like you are part of it, like you're part of your audience. That's why a really important thing is to choose things that you really like, that you're really passionate about. So make sure to have we, our, and us in all your copies, in every Instagram post, in everything that you have, that you write for your online business. And the third one, that it's really important, it's making people feel like they have the freedom to choose, because they do at the end. But no one likes when they tell you you need to do this right now, like you don't have any option, is this or this. So make them feel like they have the control, right? Because at the end they are, but sometimes they're just about to buy, but they feel like they're being persuaded. So you need to persuade in a really stealth way, and a really easy and quick actionable step that you can do right now is give them the freedom to choose with sentences like it's up to you. Like, this app is gonna improve your productivity right now, and then at the end you put it's up to you when you want to start. Do you want to start right now? It's up to you. We can start whenever you're ready to take the next step. It's your call. So make people feel like they have the freedom to choose, that it's also giving you an abundant perspective. Why? Because they feel like, okay, this company is not trying to scam me out to get all my money. right? They're trying to build a longer relationship, and they have so much clients that they don't care so much about me buying them, so they're not trying to scam me out. So yes, you're free to choose, right? Persuade them, but then give them this sense of freedom, because at the end it's true, they're choosing whatever they want, but we as humans like to feel like it was our decision, like it was our idea, because at the end, in persuasion, in copywriting, you're giving people the solutions to problems that they might know they had, right? You're giving people, you're telling them you have this problem in your life, if you know it or you don't. This is why you should find a solution right now, and this is how I, with my product, with my company, can help you out achieve this other thing. So put names, first person pronouns like we, our, and us, and then give them the freedom to choose. All these things are going to trigger positive emotions really quick and really easy with your audience. So make sure that you have these 3 easy things down. Apply it right now into your copy. If you're doing any landing page, email, Instagram post, whatever you write for your online business, this is crucial to have, to destroy that barrier between you and your writer and your reader. So I hope you enjoy it. If you want to see more of these free trainings in the future, subscribe down below. If you want to see more of quick digestible posts I make in my Instagram account, it's the link down below. I cover all these topics, but in a more visual way, in carousels, in 3D carousels, where you can digest them quickly wherever you are, at the time you want, at the time you need, and there's actionable steps, quicks and easy. And also, if you want to take it to the next level, check out the Crucial Copywriting Skills ebook down below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.